Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So guys, the main agenda of this particular video will be that we'll be discussing about a new programming language that is mainly into market for an AI developers. So will it really replace Python? So guys, we'll be discussing about this particular points which that particular language has claimed that it can, and will it replace Python or not. We'll be discussing about this, and based on all this I'll be giving my conclusions at the end. So guys, now let us not waste our time. Let's dive into our topic. Before that, there is an important announcement for you all related to Dask framework. So guys, if you have not heard about this particular Dask framework, you can pause the video and you can research about that. So guys, Dask is a Python library using which we can achieve some important tasks like parallel computing and etc. So there is an important announcement for you all from my side about this. So if you all want to know about that, just stay till the end of this particular video. Now let us not waste our time. Let's dive into our topic. Before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and on the bell notification, and also do connect to me on LinkedIn. So guys, let me just give you all the brief about that particular language and I'll show you the website. So have you ever wished a programming language that is both user friendly and easy to understand? So guys, then Mojo is best for you all. So just I was kidding about this particular point. Whatever points Mojo is trying to claim, we can achieve that particular tasks by using Python also with its libraries. So then why Mojo is getting that much hype, I don't know. But let us just discuss about that and let us see at the end what will be the result. So guys, let me just show you all the website now. So this is Mojo's website. I'll be giving you all the link in this particular video description. So Mojo is created by a company called Modular. This company has even created one of the famous language. If you all know about that particular language, pause the video and comment below. So if you all don't know, I'll be telling you all right now. So it created a language which is used by many of the developers, and it is also an almost very good language. So guys, let me tell you all about that particular language. It's nothing but it is Swift. Swift is also created by Modular company. You can check out. Swift is a language which is used for iOS development. So it's very good and user friendly also. So now even Mojo is also created by this particular Modular company. So what is Mojo? Let me just explain you all about that. Mojo is a high level programming language that was designed to read and write easily with its clean syntax and initiative structure. It is perfect language for both beginners and even advanced level programmers. So the structure and everything is clean in Mojo. So you can see here the functions and everything whatever will be giving in Mojo, it's very clean. But the same thing can be achieved in Python also. Okay, so what here they are saying, Mojo is the combination of the usability of Python with the performance of C, unlocking unparalleled programmability of AI hardware and extendability of AI models. So guys, what it is they are saying, nothing but, so when it comes to the languages, Python is slow, Python is slow, but Python is user friendly. So whatever syntax and everything will be easy to understand. But when it comes to C, C is not user friendly, but it's very fast. Even Python internally uses C, but now what this particular Mojo company is, Mojo language is trying to do is that it is trying to use both C and Python. This means that it is trying to make Mojo a user friendly language using Python internally and make it fast using C language. You are getting my point? So guys, now let me just tell another great thing about this particular platform. One of the greatest thing about Mojo is that it's a cross platform, mainly that can write code once and it can be run in multiple operating systems, including Mac OS, Linux, Windows, etc. So guys, now let's explore this website a bit more. So there is a documentation for this particular Mojo website also. If you are interested, you can read about that. So let me just open this once again. Mojo's logo is also a bit interesting. It's a fire symbol. So this is the documentation for Mojo. You can check out that, and even its community it is also available here. You can just click on this and you can check out about that community. So guys, when it comes to Mojo's code, so you can see here how clean that particular Mojo's code and syntax it has been written. So it's easy to understand and it is even user friendly also. So Mojo is good in this particular phase also. And let's scroll down and let us check more about this particular. So when it comes to Mojo's community is in its initial stage right now. It is still in its development stage, and even it has not rolled out any version for the developers also. So we have to register for early access for developer version. Let us check about that also. I'll show you all how to register also. So when we scroll a bit more down, so you can see even it has written code here, code for array slicing, okay, and unlock Python performance, and it is claiming that even Mojo doesn't require CUDA or a C++ integration, but we need to see. So when it comes to like in Python deep learning projects or any other projects, we require CUDA or else it will take more time, and even we require NVIDIA graphics card for faster performance. So Mojo is claiming that it can do without that also. So we need to check out about this. Let us see. And what Mojo is claiming that when it comes to Python, so we need to do single threaded execution, means it has to complete one process after another process. It cannot do multi-processing or multi-threading. So Mojo is claiming that it can do multi-processing, but we can achieve this particular task even in Python also. So I already told you all that there is a small connection between Mojo and Python, right? So that is this only. So when it comes to Mojo, you can do parallel processing, they are claiming that. But when it comes to Python, I have already told you all about Dask, right? So Dask can do parallel processing. It has the capability to do parallel processing, but why they are creating this much hype, we need to check. But when it comes to Dask, Dask is just a Python library. So at where we have to assign the workers, we have to give the processing tasks and everything. I guess they have automated that in Mojo. So we have to check out about that. Until the developer version rolls out, we cannot come to any conclusion about Mojo. So what else Mojo is claiming that when it comes to the speed, so Python 10 point version 3.10.9 is when we try to execute some task, it might approximately take 1027 seconds, so which is nothing but 1x faster. So they are claiming that for Python. When it comes to PyPy 22x faster, Scala C++ can run 5000x faster. But when it comes to Mojo 35,000x faster, they are claiming that. We have to check out about this particular point also. But internally we have to check when it comes to the Python and Mojo's compatibility, because in Python already there are many libraries which we can use for developing the projects and everything. So in Mojo, what will be the initiative and what will be the structure, we have to check out with their documentations and even their version. So let us check about that. So they are requesting to read the manual. If you want, you can read the manual. And here you can see that it has written a function for matplotlib. Visualization code also Mojo can perform, they are telling that, and they have written the function for that also. So we have to wait for that also to get executed. And when it comes to the extendability, so by seeing this particular image, what you are getting, guys? So this, by seeing this, I am getting one concept in deep learning, neural networks. There is a concept. So I am getting that particular concept in my mind. So here what they are telling that input layers. So if you all know what is that particular concept, I want you all to comment that below. So input layers, and it has parallel processed in the middle in the hidden layers. Then it is giving the output here. So let's scroll down and check more about that. So guys, I was telling you all about an announcement, right? So when it comes to the Dask, I am planning to do a Dask series. So in which at the first video will be that the introduction video where I'll be completely teaching you all about Dask. And the second video will be that we will be doing the Dask project, live project in a notebook. Then finally the third video will be that we'll be converting it end to end. So I was already exploring the Dask, and I have done a project also in that. While doing, I found an interesting UI in Dask. Let me just show you all. So you can see here, this is multi-processing. I have assigned 3 workers to perform my project. So parallel processing. So in that you can see that it can even track what we are doing and what process is going on. So in that particular task system, I have taken the small screenshot to show you all. So you can see here how it's processing its speed. So you can see here it's just a screenshot. So each worker, how much fast it is processing the task, you can see that. So when we start with the task project, I'll be explaining you all in detail about that. It will be more interesting. So let us now just sign up for the access. My next video will be only related to task. I'll start with the task series at next itself. If you all don't want to miss that, subscribe the channel and on the bell notification. To sign up, it's nothing but I'll be giving you all this particular link also in this video description. You can just enter the details here and you can click on next. You will get the notification that you have been signed up, and you will get the access when they roll out their developer version. So let's go back and let's check about this. So there is a bit more code about Mojo's programming, and here again it's a request access. So you can check out about this particular page. I'll be providing you all this page and you can explore more about this, and you can understand. Even there are many blogs related to Mojo. So co-founder and CEO is Charles. Okay, product manager. So you can check out this particular page also for the blogs related to Mojo and its faster capability. They have written some blogs also related to this. Overview. Okay, documentation. When it comes to Mojo's documentation, you can check out this particular documentation, how it works and what is the main reason for creating Mojo. You can see here it's an option called Why Mojo. So you can read this particular blog. It's an interesting blog. I'm not reading this because it will take more time if I try to read this and explain you all. So you can just check out this blog also. It's very interesting to read. So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel and on the bell notification for more videos. Thank you all. Bye bye.